what was the story because I think a lot of people who don't get an offer, they feel like life is over.
Right.
And so I think it's important.
I did feel a little bit like that right at the time.
It's a letdown because you work so hard to get in, and then it's like, for whatever reason, whether it's a down year, whether it's the economy, whether it's just the group didn't feel like you didn't mesh with the group culturally or whatever, you don't get the offer. And all of a sudden it makes, if you do want to be in banking, it makes it incredibly difficult to get another offer somewhere else, because you have to tell some sort of story of why they didn't want you. But you kind of took a different stance. You said, well, this might not be for me, but I do like finance. I do like the intensity. So let me see if I can go somewhere else. So tell me kind of how you thought about that, or how you even knew what this private fund advisory.
Yeah, again, I mean, someone suggested it to me. They said, if that's your skill set, you should probably be in some sort of thinking about a marketing type role. And you can either go in the kind of the public route or the private route, and then from there, I thought that made sense. And so then started reaching out to various, public and private sort of marketing type groups and roles.
So can you tell me like what the private fund advisory group is? Like what within Lazard, what did that group do, or what was the job?